Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps required to replace the screen on an HP AIO 27CB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Start by powering off the device and unplugging it from the electrical outlet. It's crucial to eliminate any risk of electric shock. Next, lay the HP AIO face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Be sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them for reassembly later. After removing the screws, you may need to gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see various components inside. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris with a soft cloth. This is also a good time to check for any other potential issues. If you notice anything unusual, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify problems. Now, you'll need to disconnect the screen from the motherboard. Carefully locate the screen cable and gently pull it out. This is a delicate process, so take your time to avoid any damage. If you feel uncertain about this step, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, saving you the hassle of carrying the unit elsewhere. Next, remove the screws holding the screen in place. These screws are typically located at the corners of the screen. After removing them, you can carefully lift the screen out of the frame. Make sure to handle the new screen carefully to avoid any fingerprints or scratches on the display. Once you have the new screen, align it properly within the frame and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If you're not comfortable with this part, just remember that we can provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Carefully align it and press down until you hear a click, indicating that all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is tightly secured. Finally, turn your HP AIO upright, plug it back in, and power it on. Check the new screen for any issues. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed the screen. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. With our service, there are no calls and no travel required, making it easy for you to get the support you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to replace the screen on your HP AIO 27CB. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.